Hey guys, Lorenzo from Pisces Projects here, long time no see. I am so excited to be filming today's video because I haven't shown my face in a really long time, so hey, how's it going? And also I'm going to be planting up some bulbs in containers, so I am so excited. Hope you guys enjoy. So I'm here at the store and it looks like they have a huge selection of bulbs. So I think I'm gonna get some narcissus and maybe even some snowdrops. I think that'll look good with the purple tulips that I have in mind. And of course I had to check out their greenhouse. They have still so much color in here, which is amazing because it's been getting down to like the single digits at night, so pretty impressive. So these are all of the variety of bulbs that I got today. I got some beautiful Ice Follies narcissus that have a beautiful buttery yellow in the middle of them, which is really nice. I also got these miniature Tazetta narcissus. They are so pretty. I can't wait to play with those too. And then I also got these Tulip Blue Moon mix, so they're a dark indigo to purple mix. And then finally I got some beautiful Oriental hyacinths. So I got some Delft blue and I got a pink mix, which has a light pink and a super bright fuchsia pink. And I'm going to plant them in these planters here that I used for the summer. But I thought I could just reuse them and have some fun with them this year for spring. So it's super important for these bulbs to get some fertilization at the beginning of getting planted for the season. So I have this Happy Frog bulb food and it's 388 and it's supposed to help the bulbs just grow and grow for the next season. So I'm so excited to use this. So when planting bulbs in containers, you always want to consider how tall these flowers are actually going to get in your containers. So generally what you want to do is you want to plant in the tallest ones first, so they should go at the very bottom. So that for me would be these narcissus, and the tulips would go in first. And then I want to go in with my other Tazetta narcissus, I think I'm pronouncing that right. And then very last bulbs that I would go in with are these hyacinths because they're the shortest. So you have different kinds of layers for what you kind of want to do. So that's what I'm going to go with today. So I've got my first layer down of narcissus and I wanted to show you how to plant these bulbs. So they're basically a small miniature version of an onion, as you can see here. And so the bottom goes with the roots at the bottom there, and then this is the stem where the flower is going to sprout from. So all you'll do is just lay it in the dirt right here and then just kind of snuggle it up in the dirt there. And this is ready for another layer of dirt. So the next layer is the tulips. Now is also the time where you want to add your Happy Frog fertilizer. So just take a little bit of a handful there and just sprinkle it on top of the bulbs and do that with every layer. The last step is to give the bulbs a nice long drink so they can start in their season. So those are two finished planted up containers filled with beautiful bulbs. I cannot wait for spring to roll around for these gorgeous flowers to make an appearance. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.